name's Simon Bradbury from Turrini, USA, and today we're going to show you the Turrini Claudio DEP water recycling system. Fully automatic, very low maintenance, compact, integrated system for feeding not only the water to your factory, taking out the mud from the system, keeping all of your machines moving all day long. So this is a Turrini DEP 800 decantation and water recycling system. Typically standard machine that we'll install across all of the major fabricators in the UK. So the system works like this. The level of the plant is full and there is no demand in the factory, everything is stopped. When you open the tap or turn on the machine in the factory, the pressure, which is on the gauge here, drops. The system senses the drop in pressure and kicks in the autoclave pump. As the level in the plant drops, the system then demands water from the pit with the submerged pump, which goes to this pipe, and it goes to the flocculant as it goes. It's fully integrated, fully automatic, very simple maintenance, which is limited to a few minutes a week, and I'll show you basically how the system works. So a submerged pump, which takes the water from the pit. These are spare pumps that we specify in the UK for customers. A flocculant pump, which is this container here, which fills up generally once a week with water, and then we have a splash of the flocculant, literally just a capful a week. It's a non-corrosive flocculant that we use. Then we have a sludge pump here, which is for removal of the mud, which is moved into the bags, which I'll show you in a minute. And we have a duty and a standby autoclave pump. We cycle these once a week, so we know that we had a pump that was working a week ago. Mixer to mix the flocculant up. A timer that controls the automatic cycle for the removal of the mud, so we can adjust that for how many working hours we have of the plant before it switches on, and how many minutes, seconds or hours that we run the mud pump for, which I'll explain in a little bit more detail. So as the submerged pump is running, this pump is dosing flocculant in, which leads up this pipe and into the pipe that comes from the dirty water pit. All automated, works completely on its own. So this system is set to kick in the pump at 3.2 bar. So we've reached 3.2 bar, the machine's on in the factory, and it's set to kick out at 3.8. Now we can set a delay, so once it reaches 3.8 bar, it will wait a few seconds that we program until it cuts off the pump. So now we wait until the pressure drops. And we can customise all of these settings, so we can set the in and out pressure at whatever we need. So 3.2 we should start. And up to 3.8, we wait for 6 or 7 seconds. And the pump cuts out. So we have duty and standby pumps. So at the moment we're running on pump number 1, but we can easily switch off pump number 1 and switch on pump number 2. So pump number 2 will run when the pressure drops to the required level. So instead of 1, we're waiting for number 2. And number 2 is now in. It works exactly the same on the pressure settings that we have for pump number 1. We can even switch them off mid-flow and switch back into the... The maintenance is limited to just a couple of things, a few minutes a week. In here is a filter which protects the pump, so there's a basket inside. So we turn off the plant, we close this valve, we drain off the water from here, take out the filter, clean it, put it back in, open the valve, open the pump valves, turn back on the plant, and away we go. The mud pump works completely automatically. In the morning we would recommend that you run it on manual for a couple of minutes, just so that you can clear any mud that's settled overnight. So we turn it onto manual. It pumps through the screw, around the pipe and into one of the bags. See the thick mud, and then once the water starts to go clear again, we'll switch it back to automatic. This cycle will work automatically according to the timer that we set, and it will work completely on its own, emptying the mud throughout the day. Now we turn it to 0, and back to automatic. The plant is back in automatic. The bags that collect the water are porous, so the water runs out and dries very quickly. Depending on the climate that you're in, it may dry a lot faster than others, but if you use the correct bags, they sweat the water back out, and the water runs back really active, back into your pit, so you don't lose any water. When you're ready to empty the bags, these frames just lift off with the fork of the truck. You can switch the valve, you can turn it on, and we'll drive in with the fork of the truck and pick up the bag. So that's the Turrini recycling system. Very simple, very effective, automatic. Takes all the hassle out of looking after the water being received